For generations, humanity has gazed into the night sky with a sense of wonder, asking the same timeless question: are we alone? Ancient astronomers traced constellations across the heavens, while modern scientists launched telescopes and probes to scan the stars for answers. And now, after decades of silence, that answer may have finally arrived, from just 4 light-years away. NASA has confirmed that the James Webb Space Telescope, the most advanced observatory ever built, has detected something truly extraordinary. Faint, structured light signals, emanating from the night side of an exoplanet known as Proxima B, have caught the attention of astronomers around the world. This discovery isn't just curious. It's potentially revolutionary. Because many now believe these signals may be the first real indication of intelligent life beyond Earth. The James Webb Telescope was built to peer into the deepest corners of the cosmos. Its massive golden mirror can capture the faintest flickers of ancient starlight from billions of years ago. But now, it's turned its eye toward a much closer target, Proxima B, an Earth-sized planet orbiting our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. This world sits in the habitable zone of its star, where temperatures might allow liquid water to exist. It has long been considered a top candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. But until now, there was no real evidence of anything more than rock and ice. That changed when Webb detected something strange. Pulses of light, rhythmic and repeated, coming from the planet's dark side. These weren't scattered bursts like lightning or reflections from a rocky surface. They followed a pattern, structured, deliberate, almost technological. To gather this data, Webb used its powerful instruments, including its near-infrared camera and near-infrared spectrograph. These tools let it analyze the chemical makeup of planets and detect faint sources of light. As it scanned Proxima B, it recorded spectral signatures indicating the presence of carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other trace gases that suggest conditions not unlike Earth's. But more shocking than the atmosphere was the light itself. From space, it resembled the glow that Earth's cities emit when seen from orbit at night, uniform, dense, and spread in lines or clusters. Could this be artificial light? Could it be city lights? The mid-infrared instrument on Webb took a closer look. This tool is especially sensitive to heat. What it found was unexpected: temperature fluctuations across Proxima B's surface that didn't align with natural sources like sunlight or volcanic activity. The warmest areas appeared to be located on the planet's dark side, exactly where the light signals were strongest. That detail alone sent chills through mission control. If what we're seeing is real, and not a misreading of data or an unknown natural effect, then humanity is standing on the edge of the greatest discovery in history. Of course, skepticism remains. Some astronomers caution that atmospheric distortions, magnetic anomalies, or rare reflective minerals might mimic artificial light. Others suggest that Proxima Centauri's flares could be interfering with Webb's observations. These are valid possibilities, and peer review is ongoing. But as more instruments on Earth and in orbit are redirected to observe Proxima B, one thing is becoming clear: this isn't just background noise. The signals persist. They're consistent. And they're raising more questions than answers. If another civilization truly exists on Proxima B, it would be the closest intelligent life ever discovered, just a short journey away on a galactic scale. What might they be like? Are they looking at us the way we're looking at them? Do they know we're here? For now, we wait. The James Webb Space Telescope is continuing its observations, and more data is being collected. Whether this turns out to be a false alarm or the beginning of an interstellar dialogue, one thing is certain: this moment will be remembered. Because for the first time, we may not be alone in the dark. For the first time, we may have seen the lights of another world. Sure. Here's the entire script rewritten without any headings, flowing as a continuous narrative. For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the stars, wondering, are we alone in the universe? Now, that question may be closer to an answer than ever before. The James Webb Space Telescope, our most powerful space observatory, has made a discovery that could redefine life as we know it. Astronomers using Webb's advanced instruments have detected potential signs of life on a nearby exoplanet, Proxima B, located just over 4 light-years from Earth. This isn't science fiction. It's a scientific turning point. When an exoplanet like Proxima B passes in front of its host star, a phenomenon known as a planetary transit, a small portion of the star's light filters through the planet's atmosphere. That light carries with it a chemical fingerprint, revealing what gases are present. The James Webb Telescope was built specifically to read those fingerprints with incredible precision. It uses a combination of instruments, NIR spec for near-infrared spectroscopy and MIRI for mid-infrared observations, to analyze that light across a wide spectrum. During recent transits of Proxima B, scientists observed distinct molecular signatures. These included potential biomarkers like water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and possibly even oxygen. These molecules are not proof of life on their own, but together, especially in a stable, repeated pattern, they suggest chemical conditions that are highly consistent with habitability. Unlike telescopes before it, JWST doesn't just detect planets, it analyzes them. By breaking down the light into detailed spectra, Webb allows astronomers to build accurate models of alien atmospheres, weather patterns, and surface conditions. One cutting-edge method used is comparative indicator spectroscopy, which involves comparing multiple planets to detect trends, anomalies, and outliers that might suggest life-supporting environments. Proxima B, which lies in the habitable zone of its star, has now become one of the most intriguing worlds in our galactic neighborhood. If these findings hold up under further analysis, it may be the first known exoplanet to show measurable signs of biological activity. JWST is doing far more than just looking for life. It's unraveling the entire history of the universe. From observing ancient galaxies that formed billions of years ago, to revealing newborn stars hidden inside thick clouds of dust, Webb's infrared vision is rewriting what we know about the cosmos. Its mission includes studying how galaxies form and evolve, observing the birth of stars and planetary systems, understanding the atmospheric composition of dozens of exoplanets, and searching for environments capable of supporting life. Although this discovery is exciting, it's not the end, it's just the beginning. To confirm life on Proxima B, scientists need repeated observations across different transits, cross-confirmation with other space and ground-based telescopes, and deeper modeling of atmospheric chemistry to rule out non-biological explanations. Future telescopes may even be able to directly image the surface of planets like Proxima B and detect artificial light patterns, true technosignatures of intelligent life. If confirmed, this would be the single greatest scientific discovery in human history, the realization that we are not alone. But even now, without full certainty, the discovery pushes us forward.